Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Zach from XIFU. So once again, thank you for joining me this morning. If you are here, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. Again, a quick disclaimer before I start. This section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stock based on discussion this morning, make sure you got one trading plan. Right now, again, as usual, we start with the overall IBM KLCI first. I think today getting slightly better, of course. Right now, like I said, is the first 30 minutes of the day. I'm not sure what the closing looks like, but looking very good. In fact, if let's say they're able to stay above 1525, I think would be much more better. Okay, because this 1525 is also a previous so-called like a support area lah. So hopefully they can break and then staying over here and slowly heading to this area again around 1600. Okay, so this is something that potentially we hope we can see from the IBM calcium. But let's say right now, as long as they're above 1500, I think it's good as well. A deep pullback happens last 2 weeks ago, and looks like last week and this week we do see a little bit of recovery is coming. Okay. Good morning, Hari. Good morning. All right. Thank you for joining me. So, well, like I say, since last week we actually have plenty of so-called opportunity. Okay. But again, not doing any buy and sell call. So just want to share with you a couple of trades that personally I'm due for this week, which is Monday and Tuesday, yesterday. So first of all, I do have SNS. Okay, so this is again a pullback completes patterns. Okay, holding very well on the 20 ms right now. Of course, nearest resistance 525. Hopefully they can touch and cross. Okay, above this level over here. Now this one actually I entered. I think I entered slightly a bit late, but because of a bit of FOMO, construction also doing pretty well lately. Suncon getting higher this morning as well. So that's why I look for something that haven't really make a big movement. Okay, so I go for EcoWest the other day. But yeah, this is a pretty strong resistance. Something that I think you should really take note if let's say you want to follow. So if let's say they can cross the hit and then drop, or even the break below this 20 MA line, probably I just want to exit quickly because right now it seems like since this is since April until now they actually have been trading along with the 20 MA. So if let's say break below here, which means that the trend will be getting weaker. So something that actually I don't want to see as well. Okay, again, if you want to follow, can, but this is technically my plan. Break 20 MA, which means there's a potential weakening trend. I don't want to hold. Now actually expecting for them to break this main resistance. Once they break main resistance, I think the risk to reward is actually pretty good. So of course the next one will be around 42 cents area. Okay, so again you might want to calculate the risk to reward ratio before you decide want to enter or not. Okay, so that's the co-best. Now last one. Currently only got three, so I actually go for JF Tech. Okay, I think JF Tech, the reason is quite simple. I think we have talked about this since 1 month ago already. Okay, so we have a reversal, high volume, first pullback. This is second one, again a deeper pullbacks happening. But if you look into this so-called the potential support area, we actually have plenty of so-called this kind of strength signal is building. Okay, so no reasons why I look for the entry yesterday. Okay, so right now it's 50 cents. Okay, I again not sure. Volume is pretty high right now. Hopefully it didn't turn to another shooting star. I hope actually try to continue to challenge the resistance around 55 cents and above. This is something that why I'm aiming for draft at this moment. Okay, so well, do let me know any counters you are looking into. Again, just share with you a couple of trades that I'm doing. Some of the trades so I'm keep monitoring. Okay, just that whether to enter right now or not, I still thinking because I got two techs already now. Great looking good, but I don't want to hold all in the same sectors or industry. Okay, sometimes it's a bit risky to do so. But for those that who haven't entered any in tech, okay, I think great tech still very nice. Inari as well. Okay, if you look into Inari, okay, so this is again still somehow far away from the resistance. Great tech slightly closer already. Okay, so in fact for me, Actually, I kind of like Inari as well. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Probably I'll add another one more. VS, I think VS haven't really complete the shakeout yet. Okay, so yes, this one no setup yet. The other one is G-Tronic. Okay, so this is again a few tech related counters that actually personally I'm watching it, which I feel that they are still got a bit of potential. Okay, to move further. Okay, so here, but this one also very close to resistance. Okay, another reasons why I like it, but somehow I skip it first. Okay, if let's say this week it cash back to this level, then probably yes I will consider to look for it again. Okay, so there's some of the quick one that I can recall. Any other stocks that I probably miss out? Do let me know. UUE break further already. After they break further, I didn't follow and chase. Okay, unfortunately. Now sometimes like that sometimes market is where you scared to enter, but the stock break up. Okay, so it's okay but never mind. We see how it goes. Probably later on, you got a chance to retest the 20 MA. Okay, so this is where I will look for the other opportunity to look for entry. Okay, the other one is copy as well. This is against one of the counters that I'm watching very closely. Against exit, shake out, they break further. Okay, so later on, if let's say they retest the 20 MA, okay, do remember when the stock is kind of slightly far away from 20 MA, most of the time they will kind of like close back one. So if you think that you don't like the risk that you're taking, just be more patient. Okay, so we wait for that. Okay, now the other one is NetDS Big Mark. Okay, yesterday I think they do a shakeout, but a bit similar to G-Tronic. Okay, this counter over here. Okay, nice. So far, looks like they want to test support. Actually, also I'm looking at around 2.14 AB. Okay, if I'm able to get, then I think I will try to get a little bit. Okay, for NetDS Big Mark. Okay, this one is a bit similar like copy. Okay, but of course, copy shaker complete and move. NetDS Big Mark just complete yesterday, so they are lagging a little bit, but looks like they are kind of like flowing very closely. Okay, so there's nothing else to speak about. Okay, if let's say there's no questions for the remaining of our time, I probably go to my trade signal. Let's say anything interesting, then we'll end our section. Oh yes, Mr. DIY. Yes, Mr. DIY also same thing over here. But too many stocks, sometimes I really cannot. Nowadays I got plenty of good setups. So again, you have to um, see which one fits you the most. Okay, like for example, for me, even though Greta is great, G-Tronic, Inari, but because I got two tech-related counters, I don't want to rush to enter everything in tech. Okay, but to be frank, if let's say G-Tronic with tech support, I probably will go for G-Tronic. Okay, Inari also very interesting also. So well, for Mr. DIY, again looks like they are very similar with what happens to copy and Natilas Big Mark. Okay, we also have a shaker complete here. Okay, we test back to 1.7. I think it's a good area. Okay, for you to focus for low risk opportunities. Okay, so Mr. Dira, yes. Yep, I will keep in my list as well. Hopefully, I don't forget. Because right now I just monitor 99 and copy. But copy looks like slightly a bit late. Okay, so hopefully 99. Just now I saw it actually drop a little bit lower already. Okay, later maybe I will kill some. Okay, Mr. DIY, and then any things that we have from here, from this list. Okay, M-Bank going to the gap. I think someone mentioned in the group. QL, not my favorite. Okay, YTL. YTL, I know a lot of people like it. Okay, so yep, YTL the other day rebounded from support. Okay, looking good. Okay, looking good. Okay, like I said, if you aim for range trading, I think is a good stocks to do so. Okay, very strong support. Okay, very strong support, and they are still got some rooms to move. Okay, to the main resistance. Okay, T7 Global. Let's try. Okay, HE Group got some momentum for a couple of days ago. Okay, volume also increasing. This one also can watch out, but for me, not now. Okay, probably I'll wait for the first pullback to happen first. Okay, because it's 30-cent counter, like 20 hours and 30 cents counters. Okay, whenever they do pullback, sometimes a bit deep one. It will cost you 10 over 20%. Okay, so for me, yeah, I rather wait for the pullbacks, okay, then I will look for the entry. Okay, LHI also, we do have reversal previously, slowly gaining some momentum back. Okay, looks good. Okay, EG also, exit ready, now looks like coming back. Okay, EG, yes, I like it as well, EG. Okay, this is again previous resistance. Okay, they drop a little bit more. This is where that I chabut. Okay, now today looks like coming back. Okay, so again, for me, good setup. Got potential, probably hits here. Next, might try this resistance. Okay, so EG, yeah. Okay, let's see lah. If let's say I cannot get 99 today, I go for EG. Okay, so do let me know any questions that I have. If not, probably we will end our section this morning. Like I said, just a quick morning updates. Okay, the market looks like getting more better. Okay, not super bullish. Okay, but at least got something to do right now. Okay, for those who are looking for short-term opportunities. Yes, continue to look for some trade ideas. Okay, technology sector, you can notice here actually they are doing a nice pullback. Construction actually is the one that actually gaining some momentum. Where's my constructions? Why I didn't see that? Where's my constructions? Oh yeah, over here. Okay, so this is the one actually having a very strong momentum. So probably, if you want it, okay, so you can actually look for the potential stocks. Okay, to look into. That's why I choose EcoVest, but EcoVest very close to resistance. Actually, one of my mistakes. Okay, should not enter very close resistance. Okay, so you can actually check out WCT. I think is a setup that worth to watch out as well. Okay. All right. So with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning over here. Again, if you like my section, do remember to help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. And again, we have Telegram. Join our Telegram for more discussion. And I'll see you tomorrow.